Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm playing with my food.
What?
I'm playing with my food.
It wasn't your food.
Yes, it was Michael Life's food, really.
So you playing with Michael Life's food.
Yeah, I hope we're pronouncing it right by now, Michael Life. We've got to be getting closer, surely.
Right.
But yeah, Michael sent us these, which are the keys of corned beef tins. Sent us some full ones as well, so I can do some experimenting. But he's sent us them in two forms so far. This, which is a thicker, chunkier one, and this, which is a very, very thin one. Then he made them with the idea of them being handcuff picking tools.
I think it's quite surprising saying Michael hasn't had cuffs until very, very recently. That he's come up with something like this. It's quite intuitive. No, yeah, inventive.
Clever.
I don't know. Clever. Yeah,
We'll go with clever.
Because he's come up with a couple of different things for us.
He's come up with a few different things so far. This has to be the best.
Your favourite?
Yeah. So I haven't ironed out all the kinks yet, because the thick one is good for picking. He says. There we go.
You and the camera never have good terms, do you?
Nope. But you can't shim with it. Well, you can still pick your way out with the thicker one.
Which is cool.
He says. Hang on.
You and your camera problems.
I'm turning the wrong way.
That could also be a reason why it's not working.
The thin one, I mean, having problems with, if I try to pick with it, it bends. But if you go in there, it makes a fantastic shim. So I'm going to try and find a happy medium to see what I can actually do with it. And I know there's probably people at the minute who know the handcuffs a little bit that they're going, like Mr. Deadlocks, those ASP Model 100s with the yellow locking mechanism are terrible. Which, yeah, they're easy to escape, but these chubs are not. So there's a double lock on the chubs, and
the pocket pick can't pick the chub ones, can it?
Can.
Okay.
It can. And I'm going to tension with switch on the back again.
Don't worry, people. I'm used to being ignored.
I don't know which cuffs you're thinking of.
Like the lever ones. You've got a pair that have a lever lock in them, don't you?
Yeah, these are the ones with the lever lock in.
Either way, they're tricky.
So they are tricky, because it's even trickier to get it on camera apparently, because you've got to get it, hold it in a way where the camera can see, and that I can actually tension the thing on the back and poke the levers on the front. But there we go, there's the double lock off. And then I actually used the really thin skinny one for that, because I can do it without bending it. Well, these do have two locking poles in there. I don't know if there we go, on camera you can just see there. Two locking poles. This is a bit thin, so you've got to make sure you get it right in the middle.
My grandma used to keep the keys from the corned beef, you know.
If you get it right in the middle there, which hopefully I have, you can also shim out of them. So it's not just the easy ASP cuffs. I can also open the CHUBB IK70s with them. So I think we're going to have a bit of fun with these keys.
These keys are these keys?
These keys are Michael's keys.
Not I'm weird, you know.
So yeah, I think we might be having a bit of a corned beef versus.
That would be cool. It's weird though because you don't even like corned beef.
I do not.
I have tins of corned beef in the cupboard, just you refuse to eat them.
That's why I emailed Michael and requested more keys.
But we have corned beef in the fridge, in the cupboard.
Do we?
Yeah.
Do you eat corned beef?
Yeah, I make corned beef and potato pie.
Or get eaten?
Well, I'll make corned beef potato pie. Actually, do fancy making corned beef and potato pie.
I'll not eat it.
I want to eat it.
Don't like corned beef.
I don't really like corned beef. It's the oddest thing not to like. Corned beef is lovely, especially in a corned beef and potato pie. You make it just right. It's just delicious.
I'll take your word for it.
You're gonna try it. I'm gonna make it today.
That's
Maybe
right.
not today because I don't have. Oh, no, I can order. Amazon shopping.
Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. Thanks, Michael.
Yes, thank you, Michael. See you next time.
Bye.
Right, so how long do you think it'll take us to get out of them?
Wait, what? How did you cheat doing that?
What do you mean, how did I cheat? Right, look. Cuffs on, right? Turn around, cuffs off.
What are you doing? You're doing something, I can hear it.
You watching?
Yeah. Hey! Ow! Let me see them.
What?
You little...
What?
Have you shouldn't that? No, you have... How the hell are you doing that?